Yes, today I am going to explain the carrier sense multiple access with collision detection method. Okay, so here you look at the diagram here. So this is what the collision detection diagram. Okay, see here all the four stations are is interconnected with the single line, means single channel. Okay, here the A station means the first device, it is going to send the frame to destination. Okay, so here the initially here no collision will be happens. Okay, the same time, okay, the other station, okay, it may be a B or C or D or E, okay, whatever it may be, the same time it is going, without knowing that station, it is going to send the frame. Okay, same amount of time it is going to send the data to that particular destination C. It may be a it may be a send this C station either this side or either that side. Okay, whatever it may be. Okay, means they have chances to send two ways. Okay, either this side or either that side. Okay, towards the D side or towards the B side. Okay, they have the chances to send the data. Okay, so or it may be straightly it is going to send the data. Okay, so either towards the B side also, okay, it is happen the collision, or towards the D side also it is going to happen this collision, or it may be straight also it is going to happen the collision. Okay, why? Because okay, without knowing, see the gap here. Okay, see the gap. Okay, without knowing this, okay, whether the previous station, okay, they might be send the request or send the data to destination. Okay, without knowing that the other station it is going to send the data at a time. Okay, during that time collisions will be happen obviously. Okay, so this is what the method, our collision detection method. To overcome this problem, we have to introduce the collision avoidance method. Okay, the next one is, so this is what the abbreviations of this. Okay, just now only I told with the help of that diagram. Okay, so this is what the flow chart here. I am going to explain what is the CSMA CD here. Okay, initially we are going to start the transaction. Okay, k is equal to 0. Okay, the k is equal to 0 is nothing but is the number of attempts. Okay, the initially there is no any attempt, means when the attempt will happen means once the collision will be occurs. Okay, during that time only the attempt will be, means the like keep on repeating the iteration. So initially there is no any collision happen, so that initially the k will be 0. Okay, after that it is going to apply any one of the persistence method, either one persistence, non persistence or p persistence. Okay, based on any one of the method, okay, it is going to apply. After that it is it have the eligibility to make the transaction. Okay, see here, once the transaction will be completed successfully without any collision. Okay, uh, without any collision will occur. Okay, the transaction it is going to complete it successfully. Okay, see here, if it is any collision will be happens. Okay, if the collision transmission will be occurs. Okay, it is going to come to collision for collision detected stage. Okay, if it is yes, it is going to send that particular signal, means the particular signal it is going to jump into number of attempts. Means here the initially k is equal to 0, means here no collision will be occur, so that the transaction it is going to happen without any problem. Okay, it is going to complete it very nicely, means effectively. Here the collision will be occur, so that it is going to increase the iteration, means k is equal to k plus 1, means one time the collision will be occur, so that it is going, now the k is equal to k plus 1. See, after that again it is going to check whether the current current iteration it is going to greater than the k max, means the k max is nothing but the means the number of attempt will be 15 times. So the maximum number of attempt will be 15 times here. So the current attempt means the k is equal to 1. Okay, the 1 is greater than the 15. Okay, yeah, if it is yes, okay, if it is yes, or if it is equal, okay, the means the condition will be aborted. Okay, if it is no, okay, the one is not greater than 15. If it is no, again it is going to send back the particular signal to signal to next step. Okay, during that time it is going to checking the check, means it is going to select the signal, okay, random signal, and it is going to check the line, okay, whether it is free or busy. Okay, if it is free, it is directly it is going to take care the transaction, or if it is busy, it is going to wait some amount of time. Okay, here the average transmission time for a frame, the TR is nothing but the average transmission time. Okay, it is going to take care the transaction only for the average transmission. Okay, so this is what the again back to the process, and the same it is going to, whenever the collision will occur, the same procedure, if it is not, it is going to complete the transaction without any collision easily. Okay, this is what our CSM CD flowchart diagram. And then this is what CSMCA. So I told, to overcome this detection method, we are going to introduce one more method, that is collision awareness mode. In CSMCD, okay, if there is a no signal, station needs to able to receive while transmitting to detect a collision. Means like if there is no signal, means there is no data also in that particular station. Okay, it is it means it is going to able to receive the collision, okay, during the transmission time. Okay, when there is a no collision, the particular device, okay, it is going to receive the one signal, okay, that is nothing but our original signal. Okay, if it is collision will be occur the particular station at the receiver side, okay, it is going to receive the two type of signals. The first one is the original signal, as well as the whatever we transmitted the secondary devices, means the secondary station. So that signal it is going to allow, so means it is going to accept it. And then the difference between these two signals, it must be a different, means the original signal will be different than the collision signal will be different. Yes, obviously. Okay, so these two signals will be differently differently, other means it is going to the signal will be different from the whatever the original signal and whatever happen like after the collision detection. Okay, then the in the wired network, okay, in the wire network, okay, it is going to receive the signal has almost energy has the same signal. Okay, means it is going to through the help of the wired LAN network. Okay, it is going to receive the signal with the energetic, means it is it is more powerful of the signals. Okay, without any noise or without any collisions. Okay, then this is what our CSMA, the CSMA CM means collision avoidance. So this is what the procedure. Okay, so initially it is going to before this explain this diagram. Okay, I'm going to explain what is the CSA strategies. Okay, the first one is interframe space time. Okay, that is nothing but IFS. Okay, the second one is contention window. The third one is the acknowledgement. Okay, here what is the contention window, what is the acknowledgement, what is the interface same interface space. Okay, we will discuss one by one. Now what is the interface space? Okay, the interface the frame space, first of all we are going to introduce this technique or this method to avoid the collision or with the different transmission time. Okay, during the different transmission time we have to avoid the collision. This is the main role or main goal of this the IFS method. Okay, then where it is going to checking the condition, okay, whether the station or whether the line it become ideal or busy. Okay, if it is ideal, okay, if it is ideal, the station does not send any data immediately. Okay, why? Because okay, why? Because it is going to check, it is going to check the given amount of time. Okay, it is the given amount of time whether the transaction will be taken taken place or not. Okay, if it is not taken place, okay, they have to wait some amount of time. After that only it is going to reset that particular line, and then only it is going to take care. Means if it is ideal, okay, the given time period will be get over again, the line it is going to be restarted or reset. Okay, so then only it is going